Why worry?
Why worry?
Why worry? Why worry? Why worry? Why worry? Why worry?
Why worry?
Why worry? Why worry? Why worry? Why worry? Why worry?
Why worry?
Why worry? Why worry? Why worry? Why worry? Why worry?
Why worry?
Why worry?
If you want to keep it all going and energy flowing, we must remember and know worry does not make us strong. It just brings a negative on. It becomes like a prayer of all that we fear. Intention unclear, you be losing your hair and losing your sleep when your thoughts compete with your dream. When they're filled with worry, we lose patience and we're in a hurry, thinking ourselves into anxiety. Some will think you're crazy, cause you choose not to worry. Please let them be. Set yourself free. Manage your own energy emotionally. Faith without works just is dead. But there is no faith when you live in your head. Ha, ha, ha.
Why worry?
Why worry?
Why worry? Why worry? Why worry? Why worry? Why worry?
Why worry?
Why worry? Why worry? Why worry? Why worry? Why worry?
Why worry?
Why worry? Why worry? Why worry? Why worry? Why worry?
Why worry?
Why worry?
Why worry about the things where we have control? If we have control. Why worry about the things that we don't control? If we can't control.
Peace out. If you can't control it, then you ain't got nothing to worry about.
I release all worry. I release all stress. I release all fear. I release all anxiousness. I am filled with good, with light, and with faith. I exhale worry. I inhale peace.